PRB-02 One Piece card game. One Piece card, the best volume 2, box break number 41. So we're nearing the end of the year. So here we go. Let's do this. This is going to be our first. I think this came out last week, where we are. The other Friday. Okay, so this is our first time opening an English. So anybody want the box? Just the box. We'll keep it pristine. How do we do this? There you go. There. And there are 20. So let's do this by twos. Let's go. The dawn is always last. Nico Robin. This is from ST14. Rare. And there's an SR. And we have the dawn. There are a lot of choices now. Rare. OP07 SR. Okay. It's Crocodile promo. Like this. There you go. Let's go to the second batch. Put the dons there. The rares here. See how far we have to go to get the special cards. I like that book. Mm-hmm. 09. Whoa. Does this have that? No, it does not. See that? That's nice. There. SR. Music. So what's in this others? Let's see. Okay. And Can see it. Nothing special. The rare. The SR. And the Dawn. I did not research what's in here, so I'm just opening it to see what you can get. It's always exciting to find out. Rare. SR. Oh, so see, there's a special halo. Okay. SEC from OP7. Do we have a manga chance? No, that's nice. Oranges and a Dawn. If we have an SEC, we have a manga chance. Let's see. Is there also a chance for a gold card? Or is it still the same? Okay. So far, so bad. Let's see what we can get next. So we have where there. This is the last two packs of the first half. Right here. Was special. Okay, last pack of the first half. Magic. Gion. Ah. And we have an alt art. Let's see. Do we have anything left in these boxes? I think it's AA and a manga. So let's see if we can get anything else from this box. 11 and 12. There. This is nice. This is one of my favorite Brook SRs. It's nice. Hina. Sabo. And another SEC. Two SECs. Hmm. We have to check that. — 13 and 14. What happens when there are two SECs in a single pack? A single box. Marshall D. Teach. That's nice. And we have Zorro. Dragon. Gold. What are the chances for the gold, Don? And what are the combinations for the gold, Don? So let's see. It's nice. Lucci. Rare. This is a nice SR. PRB-02. Common. And here's our hollow. — 17 and 18. Here we go. What else can we get from this pack? Two SECs. It's the first time I got two SECs in the single box. or is it a standard in PRB-02? Look it up later. And there we go. There we go. SP, SR. Wow. Wow. I thought we were done. Glad we were not. And another hollow. Last pack. Last second to the last pack. Let's see what we can get. PRB-02 rare. This is nice. SR. That nice hollow. Standard. Here we go. Last pack. Magic. Still the God pack eludes us. Law. This is a nice Robin with snow. Nami and Aesop. This is our best card, I think. The Four Emperors film. Okay. Then we have two SECs. Whew. Our first good Zoro card. Another Sabo. This Zoro is from OP6, I think. This is from OP6. The Sabo is from OP7. And we have the Basil Hawkin OP10 parallel art. And this is One Piece card game marked for PRB. But this takes the cake. See you guys. See you guys.